All right, this equation involves two concepts you learned in algebra last year. The concept of negative exponents and the concept of same bases. If we change the exponent to a negative sign, that will have the result of reciprocating this fraction. Like that. Instead of 1/4, it becomes 4/1, which is just 4. All right, the next thing we want to do is use this idea of same bases. The number 4 and the number 64 can both be written as a power of 2. What power would you raise 2 to get 4? That would be 2 to the second power. And what power would you put on 2 to get 64? Well, we can just say, what is 2 times 2? 4. Times 2 again is 8. 16, 32, 64. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 powers of 2. So we'll raise 2 to the 6th power here. There is one more idea we have to use in this problem, the property of exponents. When a base is raised to a power, and that's all raised to a power, we multiply the powers, so we'll have a raised to the power bx. We can apply that right here. Base 2 is raised to the power, so those exponents will get multiplied. 2 times negative x is negative 2x. All right, since we have the same bases, the only way the left side can be equal to the right side is if the exponents are exactly the same. And that's how we'll finish this problem. The exponents are equal. We'll use a division property of equality, dividing both sides by negative 2. And we have our final answer. X is equal to negative 3. Now, some clever observers of this problem might have observed or thought about this idea that 4 to the 3rd power is 64. We could have used that idea to solve this as well. Notice the connection, the close connection between the power of 3 that gives us 64 and our final answer, x equals negative 3. The negative 3 exponent would cause the 1/4 to flip to 4/1, and then it would be a positive exponent, and sure enough that works. So there is more than one way of thinking about a problem like this. If you'd like to try another one, keep watching the video. Go ahead and stop the video if you'd like to try this one on your own. Here's the answer. Changing the exponent to a negative will make the fraction flip over, 3/1. And now we'll rewrite 27 as a power of 3. And the only way these equations can be equal, since they have the exact same base, is if the exponents are the same. So negative x is equal to 3, so x would equal negative 3.